Okay. Ready, set, fire!
Oh, I heard it hit.
Yeah.
I heard it hit.
Y'all did pretty good getting them at the same time. I like that.
I really can't stay.
Baby, it's cold outside.
I've got to go away.
Baby, it's cold outside.
This evening is.
Well, I think I'll make me a little video today. Should I fire them all at one time? Or do a little long range target practice? Y'all let me know in the comments below and hit that there subscribe button. See y'all later on. Got to string my cannon. String got old and broke, so gotta be fixed. Pray a little coronavirus on the way.
Yeah, just don't touch me.
Look, that fire coming out of that little hole when that thing fires.
It's a pretty good bang, ain't it?
It tends to burn this string, makes it weak.
Don't look like it's been used in a while.
Exactly. He don't believe in shooting none of them. None of them.
Whoops, I'm doing this wrong. See, that's why I'm doing the video, so I'll know how to do it next time. Okay, I gotta go through here first. On in there. Okay, I got the end up coming out there. Now then. See, you almost let me do it wrong.
Well, hey, you know, I wasn't paying
Bob.
you no attention. Come on, George.
There you go, Bob.
Easy. My name's Jeff Bob. Come on, not Bob.
There's Bob over there.
I'm not over there. What's wrong with you?
The one with the Mickey Mouse line and the John Wayne shoulder. Is that right, Bob?
Oh, he run off on you, dang.
He heard me.
That's why he run off, right?
Right. Easy.
And he's tearing something up.
Watch your toes. And push it down into the little reset hole. And there you go. Pow. And let's see, that's probably enough string right there. Sorry about bumping you there, man. Let me scoot you back a little bit. A little better. Okay. Let's stuff this string. Just one about all the wires on me. I got my phone charged. I got the batteries. My wife was at home. I didn't answer the phone. I'd be in trouble. Okay. Cap on there. Throw this extra string on the handle. Make it hold the hammer closed. There, voila. Too strong. There's my line, my little balls. Another stack of balls, my little worm and plunger for the golf ball shooter. And my little Napoleon 3.5, and you see her balls over there. And my the biggest one, the 4.5 inch, 1 5/8 inch, shooting a 4.5 inch ball. Mountain Howitzer replica, 12 pound almost, but I don't think they have the trunnion band and the riding. But I do what I do, the way I want to. Well, I think I'll wrap some of these balls up, get ready. See here. A little wadding going down the barrel. And here's how we do this. Shop towel. Gotta be one of the big ones, not a little shop towel you get at the O'Reilly's or something. These big industrial ones. Whoops. Well, it does fit around the 4.5 inch ball, but it will. Little rubber band. I'll move. And you get the picture. Wrap it up. Push the little balls. And that one hit the flywheel on the truck. You may have seen that video. But cleaned her up and she got ready to go again. So it's a little bit easier. A little 3 3/8 ball and the old dirty shop towel. Wrap it up. Get a little skimpy rubber band on it. Where's that tie? Put a zip tie on. First 1 or 2, and it works really good. But that band might be considerably cheaper, eh? If you pull me on me, yeah, I need my old you little nasty, dirty old shop towel. What you gotta do, what you gotta do. So, got some of them ready to fire. 2 bacons and 2 good ones. And now, we gotta make some powder balls. Let's see, and here's the right box. That's 30 somehow. And looky here what we got. Now I would say that's a 45 ounce. What was the last thing I shot? Might be. We'll soon know. Okay, we're gonna make up powder charges. And I got this here Canon, what I use. And some aluminum foil. Aluminum foil. And that's the measure of the foil for the big boys. And I may have some already cut. Yeah. Just for that. So, gotta be real careful in the breeze. That's why it's easier to do this indoors than we are now. Oil. And the croquet ball. Everyday, ordinary, all that I found laying around croquet ball, making an aluminum foil ball. You back out, you got a nice little cup. See little cup? Cute ain't it? Okay. And you could make a bunch of these up one time, which would probably be, well, be probably be a bit quicker. All right. Two, three, four, five, 5 little ounces. Is all it takes. And it's a nice little ball. Three. 4. 5 ounces. And y'all let me know in the comments below and hit that there subscribe button. See y'all later on.
But it's cold